morning students. Our next concept is formation of numbers with digits. Using permutation concepts, here you are forming numbers. In our previous sessions, we discussed how to form the words by the given letters. But here only difference is, instead of letters, numbers will be given. You need to form the numbers using given digits. Okay. See the first case, when there is no restriction. Okay, it's a very simple case. See the example, how many four digits numbers can be formed using the digits 1 2 4 5 7 8 9. No digit is repeated. Question is the 4 digit number. So first I am considering 4 vacant places, 1 2 3 4. Then see, in 4 digit number, it's a thousands place, it's a hundreds place, then tens place, then units place. Okay, now see, given data is no digit is repeated. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 numbers are given, right? For thousands place, 7 numbers are available. You may take 1 or 2 or 4 or 5 or 7 or 8 or 9. But you can observe, in one time you can use only one number. 7 possibilities are there. Suppose here you are using one number, that is first number 1. Then how many numbers are remaining? 1 2 3 4 5 6 numbers are remaining, right? So for hundreds place, only 6 numbers are available if you use one number. Okay, now see, suppose you are using 2. Then see, in the thousands place one number is used, in hundreds place one number is used. For tens place, how many numbers are possible? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so here I am taking one number from the remaining 5 numbers. So here 5 possibilities are there. Then units place, you need to take one number. So here possibility is equal to 4. See, suppose here you are using 4 here. Then how many numbers are remaining? 1 2 3 4. I am taking one order. You may take any number in any places. So for thousands place, 7 digits are available. For thousands place, 7 numbers are available. 106, tens place 5, unit place is equal to 4. So here I'll write thousands place, how many ways are available? 7 ways. Okay. Then second one, hundreds place, 6 ways are there, and tens place, 5 ways are there, and units place, 4 ways are there. So total 4 digit numbers is equal to, use the multiplication principle, 1000 place 7 ways, followed by 100 place 6 ways, followed by tens place 5 ways, followed by unit place is equal to 4 ways. So total number of ways is equal to, multiply this one, it's equal to 840. So this is the answer for the given question. Condition is when no restrictions. Okay. See the second type, formation of even numbers and odd numbers. Okay. See, question is how many, see the example, how many 4 digits even numbers can be formed from the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6. No digit being repeated. See, question is formation of 4 digit number. So here I will consider 4 vacant places, 1 2 3 4. Okay, but the given condition is you need to construct a even numbers. Okay, take any even number, see 26 22 30, or take 4 digit number 1216 1322 4430 4528. All these are 4 digit even numbers. What is your observation? See the unit place. Okay, any 4 digit number is said to be a even number, then their unit place must be a even number. Okay, question is formation of 4 digit even numbers. So unit place can be filled by the even numbers only. Okay, since we need to construct a four-digit even numbers. Okay, unit place can be filled by even numbers. Okay, you need to use the even numbers only. Okay, how many even numbers are available? Here 1, 2, here 4, 6. Okay, number of even numbers is equal to 3. See, unit place, 10 place, hundreds place and thousands place. For this unit place, how many numbers are available? 3 numbers are available. Here you can use only 3 numbers because last digit must be a even number, right? How many even numbers? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 even numbers are there. So unit place can be filled in only 3 ways. Suppose see, here you are taking one even number. Then how many numbers are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are remaining, right? So then I will start from the thousand place. Suppose you are fixing one number, that is even number in unit place. Then how many numbers are available for thousands place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are given. In 6 numbers, one even number is fixed. Then here 5 numbers are available. Okay, now see, here also you are taking one number. Out of 6, 2 numbers are fixed now. Then for hundreds place, how many numbers are available? 4. 10th place, 3 numbers are available. Why here 3 unit place? Because you can take 2 or you can take 4 or you can take 6. Only 3 numbers. But at a time we can take only one number, right? So possibilities for thousands place is equal to 5 numbers are possible, because here 5 number plus here 1 number, 6 number you will get na. Then see, for hundreds place you need to take one number from the remaining numbers. 2 numbers are used, remaining number is equal to 4. So 4 possibilities are there. Then for 10th place you need to take one number. See, 1, 2, 3 numbers are used. Then how many numbers are remaining for 10th place? Only 3, right? So total number of even numbers, that means 4-digit even numbers, is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 3. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 63s are, it's equal to 180 numbers are available. Or consider the same problem. 4-digit number is there, unit place, 10th place, hundreds place and thousands place. First you need to fill unit place. How many even numbers are there? 3 even numbers are there. Okay. Then for 10th place, okay, here 3 possibilities are there, but at a time you can take one number. Then see, total 6 numbers are given, you are taking one number. How many numbers are available? 5 numbers are available. But here also you are taking one number at a time, right? So minus 1, that means 6 minus 1, 5, 5 minus 1, 4 numbers are available. So here in this place you can use any 4 numbers. Then see, for thousands place, okay, one more minus 1, then 3 numbers are remaining, right? So here this number is chosen from remaining 3 numbers. So 3 possibilities are there. Multiply. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 63s are 180. So you will get the same answer. Okay, here you can see the different ways, but finally you will get the same answer. So after taking even numbers, that means after fixing even numbers in unit place, you can start from thousands place or you can start from tens place. Your answer is same. The next question similar to the previous question. How many 4-digit odd numbers can be formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? No digit is repeated. Question is clear, right? See, 4-digit odd number you need to form. Numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 given. That means here 7 numbers given. Condition is no digit is repeated. Okay, repetition is not allowed. See, here I will take 4 vacant places, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then see here unit place, here 10th place, here hundreds place, here thousands place. Okay, now see 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I will take that the same 4 digit number. 7 numbers are there. Suppose I am taking first 4 numbers. Here I will put 0, then here I will put 1, then here I will put 2, then I will put 3. Is it equal to a 4 digit number? I am taking 0 in the first position, thousands place. That time see, this is not a 4 digit number. This will become only a 3 digit number. By this we are clear, right? For thousands place, 0 is not possible. Okay, now see, 2 restrictions are there. One is the 4 digit number, another one is the odd number. First consider the case odd number. How many possibilities are there? 1 here, here one more odd number, here one more odd number. So for unit place 3 possibilities are there, but at a time we can take only one number. That means out of 7 numbers, one number is already used. That may be any odd number, but at a time we can take only one number, right? So 7 minus 1, 6 numbers are available. In that 6 number, see, 0 also included, right? Because see, for unit place we can't use 0, because in the unit place you need to use only odd numbers. So in the remaining 6 numbers, 0 also included. But see, one more restriction is there, 4 digit number. See, 6 letters are remaining. In that 6 letters, 0 also included. But here for thousands place, 0 is not possible. So for thousands place, how many digits are possible? Only 5. Okay, you can use only 5 remaining numbers. Okay, then come to the 100 place. Okay, here 0 is not possible. See, so 6 numbers are there. You are taking one number, then 5 numbers are remaining. Okay, so for hundreds place also you can fill it in 5 place. Clear? Why here 5? Because instead of 0 any other numbers given, here 6 possibilities are possible. But 6 numbers are remaining, but in that 6 numbers 0 also included. This 0 is not possible for thousands place. If you take 0 in the thousands place, then see, that number will become a 3 digit number, but our question is a 4 digit number. Then 10 place, 5 numbers are there. Here in hundreds place, one number is used, 5 minus 1, it's equal to 4. So 10th place can be filled with 4 ways. Okay, so total number of 4 digit odd numbers is equal to 5 into 5 into 4 into 3. 5 for the 20, 5 for the 20, 25 is 100, 103 is it's equal to 300. Okay, so 300 4 digit numbers are available. See the next type, number divisible by a particular number. See the example, how many 4 digits numbers can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 which are divisible by 5. Condition C, you need to form a 4 digit number which are divisible by 5. Take any number which is divisible by 5. See, 5 is divisible by 5, 10 is divisible by 5, 15 is divisible by 5, 20 is divisible by 5, 25 as well as 30 divisible by 5. Then see the numbers which are divisible by 5. What's the unit place here? 5. What's the unit place here? 0. Unit place 5, unit place 0, unit place 5, unit place 0. By this you can write the conclusion that any numbers which are divisible by 5 means their unit place is either equal to 5 or equal to 0. Observe any numbers which are divisible by 5 here. Take 100. 100 is divisible by 5. 520 is 100. What's the unit place? It's equal to 0. Or see, take 45. Okay. Then see, 5 nines are 45. Okay. 45 is divisible by 5. But what's the unit place? It's equal to 5. That is our observation. That here you need to write. So any number divisible by 5 means unit place of that number is 0 or 5. Okay, so here see 1 2 3 4. For unit place you can use 0 or 5. Okay, then you need to fill the remaining places. Suppose see 1 2 3 4 4 digit number. If you fix 0 here, then how many numbers are possible here? You can fill the remaining places by any number. Okay, but say your unit place is equal to 5. That time see here also 3 vacant places are available, but we can't use 0 in the thousands place. Why? If you use 0 in the thousands place, then see it's equal to a 3 digit number. So we can't solve this problem directly by taking here 2 possibility, here 3 possibility, 1 possibility. So we can't solve this problem directly. So we need to take 2 different cases. See, one case is unit place is 0. Another place is unit place is 5. Why? Because if you take 5 in the unit place, then we can't take 0 in the thousands place. Okay, so case 1, unit place is equal to 0. That means see 1 2 3 4. In the unit place you are using 0. Here only one possibility. Then what are the possibilities for 10th place? How many numbers are given? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 numbers are given. Out of 7, one number is used here, 0. So 6 numbers are possible. Then see, for hundreds place 2 numbers are used already. So here you can fill it by 5 ways. And thousands place 1 2 3 numbers are already used. Out of 7, 3 numbers are used. So 4 numbers are remaining. So total numbers is equal to 4 into 5 into 6 into 1. 5 4s are 20. 20 into 6 it's equal to 120 numbers are available when unit place is equal to 0. Okay, take the second case, that is unit place is 5. Unit place is 5. So 1 2 3 4. Here I am taking 5. That means here only one possibility. Okay, then see 3 vacant places are available. Out of 7 letters, one number is fixed, so 6 letters are available. But consider the thousands place. Here we can't use 0. In the 6 numbers, 0 also included, right? But for thousands place we can't use 0, because if you take 0 in the thousands place, then your number becomes a 3 digit number. But our question is formation of a 4 digit number. So in 6 numbers you can take here only 5 numbers only. So 6 minus 1, so 5 numbers are remaining now. So come to the hundreds place, 5 numbers are there. Okay, so here you can use any 5 numbers. Okay, but while moving to the 10th place, already one number is used here, right? 5 minus 1, 4 numbers are there. So 10th place you can fill it by 4 ways. Then total numbers equal to 5 into 5 into 4 into 1. It's equal to 5 4s are 20, 25s are, it's equal to 100 numbers are available. Now combine case 1 and case 2. Therefore total numbers when unit place is 0 or unit place is 5 is equal to unit place is 0. How many numbers are there? 120 numbers are there. OR is there, right? We saw that in additional principle, whenever OR comes, that is plus. Okay, because unit place may be 0 or 5. Options are there. So OR means that is plus. Second case, what's the second case? Unit place is 5. If unit place is 5, how many numbers are available? 100 numbers are available. So combine this one, add how much you will get? 100 plus 100, 200 and 220. 4 digit numbers are available which are divisible by 5. Okay, this is the solution for the given question. See the next type, numbers which are greater than or lesser than a certain number. Okay, see the example. How many 5 digit numbers can be formed with the digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9? 3 plus 2, 5 numbers are given. See the questions, number is less than 30,000. That means you need to construct a 5 digit number. That number must be less than 30,000, first case. Second case, greater than 70,000. Third case, between 50,000 and 90,000. Whatever your number taken, that number must be lie between 50,000 to 90,000. Between, that's a meaning clear, right? 50,000 is not included, 90,000 is not included. You need to take all the numbers between these two numbers. And the last case is greater than 75,000. So, see the first case, less than 30,000 is given. So, you need to construct a 5 digit number. Take 5 vacant places. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then name the places. Units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Okay. Numbers greater than 30,000. Suppose you are taking 9 here. Okay, then I will write the remaining numbers in any order 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, but see, it's equal to 92,357. But what's the question? Less than 30,000. Or you can take 5 here, then you will take 2, 3, 7, 9. Repetition is not included, right? That time also what you will get? 52,000. Okay. You can take the number 3. Okay, I will arrange 3, then 2, 5, 7, 9. That time also see you will get 32,000. I am taking minimum number in the thousands place. Then also you are getting see 32,579. By all these observations, our conclusion is for 10,000 place we need to use only one number, that is 2. So here only one possibility is there. Then see, suppose you are taking 3, 5, 7, 9. Then also you will get 23,000, that is less than 30,000. If you use 9 here and 3 here, maximum value what you will get? 29,000. That is clearly less than 30,000, right? So after fixing 2 in the 10,000 place, then you can use any number in 1000 or 100 or unit place. So for thousands place, see, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are given. One number is fixed in the 10,000 place. So thousands place can be filled in 4 ways. Hundreds place can be filled in 3 ways. Tens place can be filled in 2 ways. And units place can be filled in 1 ways. So total numbers is equal to 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Okay. So 24 numbers are there, okay, which are less than 30,000. See the second case, greater than 70,000. It's a similar to the previous problem, right? So consider the 5 vacant places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this represents a 5 digit number that you are going to construct. Then see, number must be greater than 70,000. If you take 2, then maximum value 9, you will get 29,000. If you take 3, 39,000. 4, you will get 49,000. 5 means 59,000. That are not greater than 70,000. But see, if you use 7 here, 9 here, then what you will get? 79,000. That means that number is greater than 70,000. Or see, in 10,000 place you are using 9 and here 7. you will get 97,000, right? So that time also the number is greater than 70,000. By this we can say that 10,000 place can be filled in two ways. What are the numbers? You can take 7 or you can take 9. If you take 7 here, then see, take 2, 72,000, 3, 73,000, 5 means 75,000, 9 means 79,000. You will get all these numbers are greater than 70,000. Or suppose you are taking 9 here, then take here 7, 97,000, 3 means 93,000, 5 means 95,000, 2 means 92,000. All these are greater than 70,000. So for 10,000 place, two possibilities are there. One number is 7, another number is 9. But we know, right, this 10,000 place you can fill only one number at a time. 5 numbers are given, one number is fixed in 10,000 place. So how many numbers are remaining? 4 numbers are remaining. So thousands place can be filled in 4 ways. Then see, 100 place minus 1, 3 numbers are remaining, right? Hundreds place can be filled in 3 ways. Then similarly, tens place can be filled in 2 ways, and unit place that can be filled in only 1 ways, since repetition is not allowed is given. So total numbers is equal to 2 into 4 into 3 into 2. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 into 2 is equal to 48 numbers are available which are greater than 70,000. See the next number between 50,000 and 90,000. Again I will consider 5 vacant places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because you need to construct a 5 digit number. You need to place tens place, here hundreds place, thousands place, and 10,000s place are there. Okay, between 50,000 and 90,000 means, see, if you take 2 it is not possible, if you take 3 it's not possible. Then come to 5. If you take 5 here, if you take 9 here, 59,000, or 3, 53,000, 7 means 57,000. Okay, all values are greater than 50,000. First case verify. If you take 7 here, then see, you may get 75,000 or 72,000, 73,000, 79,000. All numbers are greater than 50,000. But see, take 9 in the 10,000s place. That time what will happen? If you take 2, 92,000, which is greater than 90,000. Or it may get 93,000, which is greater than 90,000. Or if you take 7, 97,000, which is greater than 90,000. And also if you take 5, then 95,000, which is greater than 90,000. Question is, you need to construct numbers which are between 50,000 and 90,000. So if you take 5 here, you may get 52,000, or you may get 53,000, and you may get 57,000 and 59,000. Then say, if you take 7, options are, you may get 72,000 some number, or 73,000, or 75,000, 79,000. Observe these two pair. In these two pair only, numbers are greater than 70,000, greater than 50,000, and less than 90,000. That is our question. Construct a 5 digit number which are greater than 50,000 and less than 90,000. So for 10,000 place, here you can say 2 numbers are available. One is 5, one is 7. But we know, right, at a time we can take only one number. So out of 5, one number is used in 10,000 place. So for 1,000 place, 4 numbers are remaining. Then see, here also one number used, that is in 1,000 place. Then how many numbers remaining? 3 numbers are remaining. So hundreds place can be filled in 3 ways, tens place can be filled in 2 ways, and unit place can be filled in only 1 ways. So total numbers is equal to 2 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It's equal to 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are, it's equal to again 48. Okay, answer may be same in the second case and third case, but arrangements are different. Okay, see the next question, greater than 75,000. You need to construct a number which is greater than 75,000. First, here I will consider 5 vacant places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here name it as unit place, 10 place, hundreds place, then thousands place, and 10,000s place. Okay, then see, again question is greater than 75,000. Okay, just use trial and error method here. Suppose you are taking 7 here, that means in 10,000 place you are taking 7, then 79,000 is possible, 73,000 is possible, 72,000 is possible, as well as 75,000 is possible. This case is possible, right? That is 7 in the 10,000 place. But if you take 5 here, then what you will get? Then you will get 57,000, 52,000, and 59,000. One more is 53,000. This case is not possible. Why? Your value, that means value of the number must be greater than 75,000. Okay, then take the next case 9 in the 10,000 place. You may get 97,000, 93,000, as well as 92,000 and 95,000. This case also possible, right? So in 10,000 place only two numbers are possible, that is 7 and 9. So consider the case 1. Okay, that means 7 in the unit place. The question is 5-digit number. Here I will consider 5 vacant places, 3, 4, 5. See, fixing 7 in the 10,000 place, here only one possibility. Okay, then go to the thousands place. Here see, two possibilities are, for thousands place two possibilities are there, right? You can use 5 or you can use 9. See, 75,000, all other numbers are 2, 3, 7, it is greater than 75,000, or 79,000, 3, 7, 2, again see, it is greater than 75,000. So for thousands place you can use any one of the two numbers. Then see, here one number is used, here one number is used. Out of 5, 2 numbers are used. Here 3 possibilities, here 2 possibilities, here 1 possibility. So you need to place a 10 place, 100 place, 100 place 3 possibilities, thousands place 2 possibilities, you need to place only 1 possibility. Clear? If you fix 7 in 10,000 place, then see, number is greater than 75,000 you need to get. For thousands place you can use 5 or you can use 9. That time also see, your number is greater than 75,000. That's why here I am writing 2. Total numbers is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are, it's equal to 12. 12 ways are there. Case 2, okay, 9 in the 10,000 place. Okay, again consider 5 vacant places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here see, 9 is fixed, here only one possibility. Okay, then take see any other number, 92,000 something you will get, 95,000 some number you will get, or 97 or 93, like this you will get, right, numbers. But see, observe, all these numbers are greater than 75,000. So for thousands place you can choose any 4 numbers. So here 4 possibilities are there. Why 4 possibility? Because here see, one number is used. Out of 5 numbers, here one number is used. Remaining number is equal to 4. You can use any 4 remaining numbers. But see, while moving to the hundreds place, already 2 numbers are used. Here only 3 numbers are available. Then see the tens place, 3 numbers are fixed. So here you can use any one of the remaining number. 2 numbers are remaining. Unit place only 1 number is remaining. So total numbers is equal to, okay, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It's equal to 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are, answer is equal to 24. So write the conclusion, total number of 5-digit numbers is equal to case 1 and case 2, you need to combine. 10,000s place is 7, or that is case 2, 10,000s place you are fixing 9. If you fix 7 in the 10,000 place, how many numbers you are getting? 12 numbers. Plus if you fix 9 in the 10,000 place, how many numbers you are getting? 24. Now combine this one, 20 plus 10 30 plus 6 is equal to 36 5-digit numbers are available which are greater than 75,000. See the next type, formation of numbers when digits can be repeated. In our previous problems we solved problems such that no digit is repeated, but here see formation of numbers when digits can be repeated. See the question, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1 2 5 6 8. How many numbers given? 1 2 3 4 5 numbers are given. Question is 3-digit number. For that reason take 3 vacant places, 1 2 3. Then see here hundreds place is there, here tens place is there, here units place is there. 5 numbers are there, you can use any 5 numbers in hundreds place. Okay. Then see for thousands place also 5 numbers are available. Suppose 1 2 5 6 8 is there, in the first you are using 2. Then how many numbers actually remaining? 4 numbers are remaining. But given question is, but in the question they are mentioned, right, digits can be repeated. Again you can take same 2 here, or again you can take same 2 here, or again you can take same 2 here. So for tens place 5 numbers are available, as well as for unit place also 5 numbers are available. Clear? Whenever digits can be repeated, you can use the same number in tens place or unit place. Okay. So hundreds place 5 numbers, tens place 5 numbers, as well as for unit place 5 numbers are available. So total numbers, that means total 3-digit numbers is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. It's equal to 125. Okay. This is all about formation of numbers using given digits. In the next session I will solve similar problems from the exercise. Thank you.